Hello friends, welcome to Smart Solutions. In this video, we'll talk about what our tender documents consist of. So as I've previously made a video regarding tender, what is tender and what is the process of tendering. So in this video, we will study about what our tender document consists of. So these are the documents that are used in making a contract agreement with a contractor if we want to execute our civil work via third-party contractor. So these documents are involved in the process of contract agreement. So before starting the video, I will request you to subscribe our channel first if you have not subscribed it yet, and also press the bell notification icon. So tender document are basically a set of documents which describe the amount of work, rates, total cost, time of completion of the project, and methods of payment to the contractor. These documents include the following. So what are the documents are basically included in the tender documents? So one, the tender notice. On number one, there is tender notice. Tender notice is basically an advertisement which is provided, which is given in the press, which is published in the press from the client side. And this is an invitation to all the contractors to apply on this advertisement, to apply on that tender notice. And then there is a tender form. Tender form is a form or is an application which a contractor must has to fill to apply on that job or on to apply on that tender notice. It works like the job, like we apply on a job, so we have to fill out a form. So this is called tender form. The third is contract condition. All the contract condition that we want to make with the contractor are mentioned there, like which type of contract, and I will tell you all the types of contract in my next video. The types of contract I will tell you in details. So which type of contract we are making with a contractor, all the contract conditions are mentioned in the tender. Materials, machinery, procedure are also mentioned in the tender, because we want to inform our contractor that machinery and material will be supplied by whom. And also the specification. So specification are also mentioned there, upon which specific. And what are the specification? Specification are basically the standard qualities, the standard properties that are for different types of works we want to maintain from the contractor, we want to get from the contractor. So which type of specification we require from the contractor. And the complete drawings are there in the tender documents. Total amount of work is described in the tender documents. Amount of security deposit is 10% is in the tender, included in the tender document. So mode of payment to the contractor, which type of mode of payments, and we'll talk about that in a separate video, is also included in the tender document. So tender documents basically has a legal authority, and it includes these following documents: tender notice or tender advertisement, tender form, contract conditions and material machinery procedures, specifications and complete drawings, total amount of work, amount of security deposit, and mode of payment to the contractor. So these are 9 documents that are included in the contract agreement once a contractor is selected. So these documents will have to be available both with the contractor and both with the client. So these are the mutual documents that are involved in the contract agreement. So I hope you are clear on this topic. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.